Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Revolut integrations. Revolut is a popular financial services company that provides a range of APIs for integrating its services into your application. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices for integrating Revolut into your system. First, it is essential to understand the different types of Revolut APIs available, including the Payment API, Account API, and Webhook API. Each API serves a specific purpose, such as processing payments, retrieving account information, and receiving notifications. To get started with Revolut integrations, you need to create a Revolut business account and obtain an API key. This key is used to authenticate your API requests and ensure secure communication between your system and Revolut. When integrating Revolut, it is crucial to handle errors and exceptions properly. This includes implementing retry mechanisms for failed transactions, handling invalid requests, and providing informative error messages to your users. Another best practice is to implement webhooks to receive real-time notifications from Revolut. Webhooks enable you to stay up to date with the status of transactions, accounts, and other events, allowing you to take prompt action when necessary. In terms of security, it is vital to ensure that your system complies with Revolut's security requirements, including encrypting sensitive data, using secure protocols for communication, and implementing access controls to prevent unauthorized access. To ensure a seamless user experience, it is recommended to implement a user-friendly interface for your users to interact with Revolut services. This includes providing clear instructions, displaying transaction history, and offering support for multiple payment methods. Finally, it is essential to test your Revolut integration thoroughly to ensure that it works as expected. This includes testing different scenarios, such as successful and failed transactions, and verifying that webhooks are received correctly. By following these best practices, you can ensure a successful and secure Revolut integration that provides value to your users. Remember to always refer to the official Revolut API documentation for the most up-to-date information and guidelines. With this knowledge, you can create a robust and efficient integration that meets your business needs.